Hi, welcome to Excitel tutorial videos. In this video, we will discuss about acceptance testing process on new installation. If the acceptance testing is enabled on your window, it means you have to ensure the quality closure of installations. You can only complete the installation tickets when the connectivity of ONU with OLT is proper and the parameters are in range. So let's start the video. ERP has to log in to his web portal with his unique user ID and password. Go to the installation module and here you find all the pending installations. Now click on the installation ticket which you want to install. I have opened the installation ticket. Now the first step is to pay the security deposit for the OED device, either in cash or online. As of now, I am taking the payment method as cash. To pay the security deposit, click on Registered Excitel Fiber Cash Refundable Deposit button. Now select the ONU device and click on Registered button. The system will deduct the security deposit amount from your portal. Here we have successfully paid the ONU security deposit. Now assign this ticket to your employer who has access to the Excitel Heroes application. You can assign this installation ticket from here. Just select the employer name and tap on the tick button. Now, your employer must download the Excitel Heroes application on their mobile phones from Play Store and log in with their user ID and password. I have downloaded the Excitel Heroes application and already logged in with my user ID and password. We are on the dashboard now. So, go to the installation module and open the installation for which you have paid the security deposit. The first step is to request an ONU device. So click on the Request ONU Device button and the system will auto assign the ONU device and you must scan it by clicking the Scan Device button. Place the barcode in the scanning frame and tap on Capture button. The next step is I am at location. Click on it to confirm that you are at subscriber's location. The next step is cable length. Click on it and enter the cable length. Click on Check Connection Status button and the system starts the timer for 3 minutes and check for the connection status between ONU and OLT. If the connection is not found, then it will show a message that there is no device found. You have to check the power and connections again and then click on Recheck Connection Status button. Here is some important information. If again you get the same message that the device is not found and after checking everything the ONU device is not connected, then you can mark this device as faulty by clicking on Device Faulty button. The application will take you back to the Request ONU Device step and you have to again start the process. And if the connectivity is proper but the power levels are not in range, then it shows the bad parameters. Then you have to check the cables and power levels again and then click on Recheck Connection Status button. It will again check the connectivity of ONU with OLT. And if this time the connectivity is proper and the power levels are in range, then it shows you this screen. Now you can click on the Continue Installation button. The task from the Heroes application is now completed. Now the final step is to renew and complete. So go to the web portal again and open the same installation and click on Renew and Complete button. The system will ask you for payment confirmation. Are money corrected? If you receive the plan amount from the subscriber, then select yes. If not collected, then select no. In case of selecting no, the system will create a payment pickup ticket and proceed for renewal. As of now, I am selecting yes. If you want to change the plan, you can change it from here. Now click on Proceed button. The system will deduct the plan amount from your portal and solve the installation ticket. Your subscriber is now live and active.